A very cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are ready for your English class. Students, let's begin our class with a positive thought. The key to success is to focus on goals, not on obstacles. Spend a little more time trying to make something of yourself and little less time trying to impress people. This is well said. Spend more time on trying something new to make something of yourself instead of spending time to impress others. So, with this positivity, that the key to success is to focus on goal. And right now our goal is revision of syllabus that will come in September exam. So let's focus on goal so as to achieve success. So get ready with your English literature book. Today we will revise chapter 5, which is poem Nature, Ifs and Buds. So let's read the poem Nature, Ifs and Buds. Nature, nature, beautiful nature, beauty, booty, and its creature. Its bountiful, touching pleasure stretches from beauty to treasure. Blessed the whole human race with its deep, uncontrollable pace. Nature camouflages, covering all evils, gift us life far from devils. So, what do you mean by first two stanzas? Nature, nature, beautiful nature, beauty, booty, and its creature. So, as you all know, nature is full of plants, trees, and its creatures. Creatures consist of human beings, plants, and animals, right? So, nature is very beautiful. Its beauty, booty, booty is a valuable thing, and its creature. It is full of beauty, full of valuable things, and its creature. It's bountiful. Bountiful means present in large amount. It is present in large amount and it touch the pleasure. It is the feeling, it comes the feeling of pride that nature is very beautiful, which consists of plants, trees, human beings. It's bountiful, touching the pleasure as it is present in the large amount. It touches the pleasure, stretches its beauty to treasure. Treasure is also a store of valuable things. So it stretches its beauty to treasure. And because of that, the whole human society is blessed to have a beautiful nature with its deep, uncontrollable pace, the speed with which the nature is growing, the nature is providing us fresh oxygen. Plants and trees, they not only provide you fresh oxygen, it creates a greenery all around the earth. So this beauty is growing with in an uncontrollable speed, and it camouflages, covering all evils. Camouflage means it covers all the. As the human society is blessed to live in a beautiful nature and it is growing in an uncontrollable speed, it also protects us from all the evils and devils. It has gifted us a life far away from the devils. Devil, you know, monsters. Devil means monsters and evil means bad deeds. Now, evils of nature raising its head high. Evils means enemies of nature. They are raising its head high, leading to the present scenario, letting out an exasperated sigh. Flood, famine, and starvation, tornado, earthquake, and hurricane. All these are the natural disasters. These are the evils of nature that are raising and leading to the present scenario in which we are unable to breathe. Okay, challenging us step by step. Who is challenging us step by step? All these natural disasters. These natural disasters, they are challenging us step by step. People struggling toe to head, running in panic, saving lives, hustle bustle in life's chaotic drives. So here, people, they are struggled to save their life, and they were running from one place to another in order to save their life. And because of that, hustle bustle means noisy activity is there in life that creates confusion. Landslides, water turmoil, land hemorrhage, hollowing our stable land carriages, slipping, slinking, and draining bases, destroying, damaging, destructing, and worst cases. So, landslides, water turmoil, land hemorrhage, all these are the natural disaster that destroy, damage, and destruct our nature, leading to the worst cases. And in addition to that, global warming rising high. Global warming is also rising high. It leads to harmful gases in the atmosphere. The concentration of harmful gases increased in the atmosphere, that leads placing earth in careless state. Because of that, earth was having a lot of pollution. Earth is having a lot of pollution because of global warming. Time denying the factual crashes, forgetting nature's bounty, leading to ashes. And because of all this natural disasters, or you can say evils of nature, earth is not pure enough where we can live and we can breathe fresh air. As harmful gases are in the atmosphere, it invites lot of diseases that converts the beautiful nature into ashes. Ash means burning residue. It burns the nature completely, destroy the nature completely. So I hope the poem Nature, If and Buds is clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.